Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 9.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The euro dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The Aussie dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Tesla chief executive Elon Musk says he donated around $1.95 billion worth of shares in his electric car maker to charity last year. The donation of 11.6 million shares was described in a filing with US regulators as a bona fide gift. British inflation fell by more than expected in January, and there were signs of cooling price pressure in parts of the economy, watched closely by the Bank of England, adding to signs that further hefty interest rate hikes are unlikely. Ether, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has seen a constant decline in exchange supply over the past 6 months post-merge. There was a total of 19.12 million ETH, worth $31.3 billion, on exchanges in September before the merge. The number has now declined to 13.36 million ETH, worth $19.7 billion.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US housing starts will be released at 13:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. The Dutch unemployment rate at 05:30 GMT. Italy's trade balance EU will be released at 0900 hours GMT. Australia's employment change at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Australia's unemployment rate at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.